Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is dependent on where you are and what time it is wherever you are in the globe. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Buchi. We are here to address how you can naturally build your hemoglobin level with ease in order to curb anemia and to, in a way, skip being transfused during surgery. Hemoglobin, being that very iron-containing protein which is seen in red blood cells, erythrocytes, carries oxygen from the respiratory organs to the rest of the other body parts. It is this protein called hemoglobin that gives blood its natural red color. The functions of hemoglobin are to transfuse oxygen from the lungs to the tissues of the entire body and to move carbon dioxide out of the body cells, then carries it right back to the lungs. Iron is a mineral which our body requires to carry numerous functions. Iron is very vital and it is required for the generation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. We have various types of hemoglobin, but the common ones are the hemoglobin A, which is the adult hemoglobin, and the hemoglobin F, which is found in fetus and newborns. At the time either of these hemoglobin variants become way too high or way too low, it can indicate certain type of hemoglobinopathy, the disorder affecting the structure and the production of hemoglobin molecules. When hemoglobin level is quite low, it is known as anemia. And anemia occurs as a result of anything that interferes with the functions of hemoglobin or the quality or quantity rather or concentration of red blood cells. What are those things that can lead to anemia? Well, there are certain conditions that can lead to anemia. One of them is blood loss from surgery. 2. Blood in the gastrointestinal tract. 3. Heavy menstrual flow. 4. Lack of production of red blood cells. 5. The conditions that bring about bone marrow failure, as in the case of aplastic anemia. Number 6. Cancers such as leukemia, lymphoma, or maybe tumor that have metastasized from different body parts into the bone marrow. 7. Hemolysis, the breakdown of red blood cells. This can happen in cases of severe infections, malaria, and damage from toxins. 8. Some nutritional deficiencies can bring about anemia too, as in the case of iron deficiencies, folate deficiencies, vitamin B12 deficiency. Number 9, kidney disease. We know that it is healthy kidney that can release erythropoietin, and anyone with kidney disease would have difficulty generating enough of this hormone called erythropoietin. There are certain conditions that are associated with elevated or high hemoglobin concentrations. Some of them are lung diseases such as COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, pulmonary fibrosis, congenital heart disease shown at birth, right-sided heart failure, etc. Problems associated with hemoglobin can bring about symptoms such as rapid heart rate, fatigue, weakness of the body, poor appetite, headaches, shortness of breath, or dizziness. Today, I'll be talking about some beneficial and easy remedy to enhance your hemoglobin concentrations when it is necessary. Number 1, consume iron and folate-rich food at regular basis. If you're low on hemoglobin, iron-rich food are essential. They help to build hemoglobin, and this helps to produce or form more blood cells. Deficiencies of folate acid can bring about low levels of hemoglobin. Examples of folate acid rich food range from avocado, spinach, and kale. Irrespective of the iron content found in spinach, it has oxalate, a chemical that helps iron absorption in the body. Spinach and kale are very high in numerous vitamins like folate, vitamin A, and K. The consumption of these cruciferous veggies can be connected to decrease inflammation as well as reduce the risk of cancer. Broccoli is an essential source of folic acid. One cooked cup has about 52 micrograms of folic acid, fiber, potassium, vitamin C, etc. And broccoli is recommended steamed rather than boiled. Beetroots, also called beets, are very high in nitrates as well as folic acid. To ensure a healthy blood count, drink beetroot juice often, and don't forget to squeeze lemon juice into it. Don't forget that citrus fruits contain citric acid, which helps in the breakdown of iron. So fruits like oranges, lemon, tangerine contain potassium, calcium, vitamin B, some phytochemical riboflavin, etc. Regular consumption of citrus fruits can aid in the supply of enough folates and in newborns bring about the reduction of risk of birth defect. Regular intake of folate-rich food can support to prevent health issues related to cognitive functions in adults. Adequate amount of folic acid in your food and diet helps to elevate plasma folate and also increase homocysteine levels. You need to regularly have vitamin C rich food, as vitamin C helps in a better absorption of iron. Include food like asparagus, liver, tomato, Brussels sprouts, peas, legumes, guava, papaya, carrots, bell pepper, beans, etc. in your diet, in your everyday or day after day regular diet. Maximize iron absorption and ensure that your body can easily process the iron you consume by adding fresh lemon over iron-rich food to raise iron absorption. Iron absorbers include lemon, vitamin A, beta-carotene, citrus, strawberries, dark leafy greens, etc. Now, number 2, you need to avoid iron blockers. There are certain foods that are known as iron blockers and should not be consumed if you have low hemoglobin. Examples are coffee. Coffee should not be taken if you are anemic and low in hemoglobin. Food that contain tannins, phytates, phytic acid, oxalic acid, all these and more can interfere with absorption of iron. Number 3, cook your food with iron utensils. Fortifying your food with iron is the best for those suffering from low hemoglobin concentration. Number 4, daily workouts. Exercises help and increase the red blood cell count. Swimming, jogging, skipping, taking a short or long walk, cycling, or even dancing. Total hemoglobin can be increased through exercise. Frequent exercises elevates the number of red blood cells in the blood. The more the muscles work, the more they need more energy and more oxygen. This signals the body to increase the supply of red blood cells in order to raise the supply of oxygen to the muscles. Number 5, consume enough water. Drinking enough water regularly can help to curb anemia. through the rise in hemoglobin index. If you drink sufficient quantity of water, you will help to promote the flow of blood, and this will make the blood flow freely in the blood vessels. This can also help to maintain optimum levels of hemoglobin density and help to ensure that red blood cells intensively transport oxygen all over the entire body. Note that you need to adhere to this simple remedy as they are being broken down here and naturally build or maintain your hemoglobin level. Individuals with healthy levels of hemoglobin concentrations are more better looking than those with anemia. Number 6, take iron supplements. If the deficiency is not taken care of via dietary aid, then incorporating iron into your diet would be necessary through taking iron supplements. Please ask your GP, I mean your doctor, the exact dose that is required, which will be based on your age, your gender, your particular case, as the case may be. Thank you. There are basic nutrients that help to build red blood cells, and if spread properly can help one stay away from being anemic and make red blood cells remain normal. These nutrients are iron, copper, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B9, vitamin B12. These are the most essential nutrients that are responsible for the generation of red blood cells in the body. Copper-rich food are sunflower, chickpeas, cashew, liver, potatoes, chocolates, avocado, etc. Vitamin A-rich food include carrots, spinach, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, mangoes, etc. Vitamin C-rich food or diets include kiwi fruits, peppers, tomatoes, oranges, strawberries, broccoli, potato, etc. Vitamin B9 rich diet or food include oranges, beef liver, asparagus, Brussels, spinach, peanuts, kidney beans, which are red beans, etc. Vitamin B12 rich food, clams, beef liver, salmon, yogurt, eggs, milk, tuna fish, cheeseburger. Vitamin B12 are mostly present in animal food, and if you make this food part of your regular diet, you would notice an increasing change in your red blood cell count or your hemoglobin level. At this point, I'll stop here, but if you know you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Please subscribe, share, and make constructive comments by criticizing where necessary. Next, we'll be looking at the power of vitamin C in our subsequent video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.